This GreenPan grill knocks out the competition, and here's why. The grill has an excellent simple design with a fantastic nonstick grill and griddle pans that can easily be changed and removed for cleaning. I like the easy-to-use pre-programmed features to cook using both grills, the top or the bottom grill only. The program can easily be adjusted using front knob, and it is ready to use after it preheats. Grilling chicken has never been easier as the grill cooks both sides evenly and does a terrific job. I like how the grease falls into a removable tray for easy cleaning. And the ceramic nonstick is removable too. I also tested the griddle side by making French toast, and in 3 minutes they were done and made perfectly. Overall, this product is a champ among all other grills and well worth the price. It not only works well, it feels very durable and easy to clean too. I highly recommend it, therefore I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.